Do you want to significantly increase the income you're making on your YouTube channel? Then check out Vision Quest. I used to make between $1,200 and $1,500 a month in affiliate marketing. Now I took Vision Quest and I went to $10,000 in commissions in May, $14,000 in June, and at the end of July, $18,000. So I've gotten massive returns using Vision Quest. I started this channel about 5 months ago, and my first videos are growing slowly, anywhere from 50 to maybe 200 views. And then I found Vision Quest, and it started automating my social media so that it would drive traffic to my YouTube videos. And then as you can see here, it quickly started to grow, and it's gotten me into the millions, 1 million, 2 million, up to 4 million views. And look at the dates here. We're just talking about me posting one video per week. So Vision Quest is very effective at taking my video and repurposing the video for other social media platforms. Let's take a look at how Vision Quest works. It's very easy. All you do is put a link to one of your YouTube videos here, and then you start telling it how many social media posts you want. So you could tell it, hey, let's do a bunch of Pinterest posts. You could say, hey, I want to get some pictures from this, just from Midjourney. You might say, okay, yeah, I want to do some Instagram posts. I want to do some TikTok. I want to do a bunch of those. I want to do a bunch of Facebook posts. I want to do a bunch of shorts for YouTube. So you can also do Twitter and LinkedIn posts. So you tell it how many posts you want, and Vision Quest will use its artificial intelligence to take your video and turn it into a Pinterest campaign, Journey images, Instagram posts, TikToks and YouTube shorts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And it takes the information, it creates all of these social media posts, and it schedules them for the best times to post on their platforms, and also knows the search engine optimization for how many posts to make per week. And then you just hit generate and schedule, and then voila. So let's take a look at Pinterest. So this is what it made for me. It just automatically created these different images. It looked at the demographics of that platform, and then it made these really elegant pins. And then if I look into a pin, I'll see that there is a nice SEO description and a very strong, catchy title. And then if you want, you can go into the pin generator, make any changes that you want. So if you want to change your message or something like that, super easy money. It even creates a blog post for me. And I don't have a blog site, so it puts it on medium.com for me. But I have a whole bunch of these stories here that were just automated directly from Vision Quest. Whether it's Pinterest campaign, YouTube Shorts and TikTok, or LinkedIn and Facebook, Vision Quest automates it for you and drives traffic to your video. So again, I went from making 1,400 in sales per month to close to 20,000 in sales. And this is all because of Vision Quest driving traffic to my videos and my views going way up. So check out Vision Quest. Click the link below. Hopefully Vision Quest can help you significantly increase your YouTube income as it did for me. Good luck.